So our example number two is going to be, again, let's do a nice and big, again, we're only doing 3 examples, so this should be the last page of it. So we're going to do this. We're going to try to get 1, 2, 3, 4 going up on our y-axis, and 1, 2, 3, 4 going down on our y-axis. And then we're going to try to do the same thing on each side of our x-axis. Try to get 4 on every side of the origin. Okay? So here are the points that we want to use this time. We are going to use the point -1, -2, and the point 3, 0, and the point 3, 0. So my first point I'm going to plot is -1, -2. If you know how to plot points, go ahead and plot it. If you know how to plot points, go ahead and plot it. We should have plotted it starting at 0, 0, going left because it's negative, and then going down to -2. Our second point, again, if you know how to plot it, then plot it, go for it. 3, 0 would be on the x-axis, 1, 2, 3 to the right because it's positive, and I'm not going up and down. So it would just be right there. Then I'm going to, it doesn't matter if you go below it, if your triangle is down here, or, oopsies, I guess I plotted my pink point a little bit to the left, didn't I? It should be right there. It does not matter if you do that up and down It does not matter if your triangle goes down here like this, or if it goes up here like that. I'm going to go up solely because I don't have perfect points and everything else, so I think it's going to be easier for my brain. But again, whatever makes sense in your brain. Whatever makes sense in your brain. And then I'm going to connect these two. So up and down we have 1, 2. Left to right we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, we are not saying what is the slope of this line. We are not saying that. We are saying from here to here, what is the distance? We are saying from the pink point to the green point, what is the distance? So that is our Pythagorean theorem. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That would be 2 squared plus 4 squared, and that equals c squared. 2 squared is 4, 4 squared is 16, and that's going to equal c squared. That would be 20 equals c squared. And then when I take my square root of 20, I get 4.472 ... And remember, we've been rounding all of our Pythagorean theorem to the 10th. So let's just continue that fashion. So let's round to the 10th, which means we are going to round one number after the decimal. So we look 1 to the right of that. It is a 7. So think, does the 7 round the 4 up or stay the same? It rounds that puppy up. So our final answer is C equals 4.5. C equals 4.5. All right, let's do one more, and I want you to kind of do it this time.